How to turn on US debugging on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on US debugging on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply scroll down and tap on additional settings. And now here in this section, if you scroll down, then here you'll see the option labeled as developer option. So they can just select it, and here on the next page, you can simply scroll down until you find the US debugging option. And now here, once you have found that, you can simply toggle on the button that's just beside the US debugging option, and with that you'll be able to turn on the US debugging on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.